Hello guys, this is my presentation about me, and whenever you meet anybody new, you tell them your name first. So my name is Alex Corbin. I'm in the traditional BSN nursing program here at Nebraska Methodist College. I went to Lincoln for about 2 years, so that's why I put this picture up here. I'm a big Husker fan, so go Big Red. The next thing I want you guys to know about me is I'm not entirely sure where I'm from, and what I mean by that is I'm a military kid, so I'm kind of from all over. I was born here in Nebraska, and then we moved to Arizona when I was in kindergarten, about, and then we lived there till about third grade, and then from fourth grade to eighth grade, lived in Virginia, and then I finished up high school in California. I was very fortunate to go to high school all in one place. That doesn't happen that often with military kids. I lived in Joshua Tree, California, so that's a Joshua Tree up there. It's really deserty, a lot of mountains, so I really like to hike and do things like that. I can't really do that in Nebraska, but whenever I go home, that's what I do. One person I admire as a leader is my grandmother. When I was a freshman at Lincoln, I was really having a hard time trying to figure out what I want to do with my life. She sat down and talked to me on the phone for 3 hours and kind of led me in the right direction and kind of gave me that passion or showed me that passion that I have for helping people in nursing. She was a nurse for 45 years. She had to take a little break because she had a fight with breast cancer and she kicked breast cancer's butt. So very thankful she made it through that. She's through her whole struggle, she was always positive, and that kind of showed me, how great of a leader she was. So she is like my best friend. Um, so that's just a few things about me. Hope we all have a great semester. So hope you guys enjoyed. Bye bye.